So this format is set in our date and time format settings. Let's go there. I'm going to type in date and I'll click on date and time formats. By default, the submitted by line and a number of other places on the site use this default medium date format. We can adjust this. I'm going to click edit, and what you see here is the name of the format plus the format string. This is a special code that lines up with particular date pieces and the format of those date pieces. There's a link here to the PHP manual. I'm going to open it up in a new tab. And let's take a look at what this capital D means. So I'm going to go to the date and I'll scroll down, and you can see the character here that you can use. These are grouped, so you can see that these are all under day, and there's a week and month grouping below it. So the capital D here is a textual representation of a day with 3 letters, so mun through sun. So if we replaced it with a lowercase l, it would say the full day. Let's give that a try. So here we're going to change the D to an L. Let's click Save Format, and now it shows the medium date as having the full day name. And now let's open up a piece of content so we can see what this looks like. So we'll open up our blog entry here, and you can see that now we see the full name of the day. So if we wanted to change this to the format that we have in our wireframe, we can do it in the medium date format. The issue with doing that, though, is that it's going to affect other places on the site, and maybe we don't want them all to use this new format. What we can do instead is add a new format. Before we do that, let's roll back this medium date to the way it was before. So instead of the L, we're going to do a capital D. I'll click Save Format,